Hi, I'm Madhyalagan, Assistant Professor and the Department of Computer Applications. Today we have a C for Software Engineering, so SDLC Iterative Model. So from Tresness Rajan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So Iterative Model, Software Development Cycle, it is called as an SDLC. It's extremely vast and full of various development and testing activities and methodologies and technical tools and more. It encourages strong planning as well as management and competitions and plan and preparations. So after the completing all the cycle and the iterations as per the requirement, the application gets developed successfully. This model is also a division of SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. In this chapter, you will learn about this model in detail. So what is iterative model? The popular iterative model gives an exact performance of the development of the software as a life cycle. It primarily focuses on the preliminary growth and designs and then gains moment slowly within the more complexity as well as the meet requirement until the final software is the build entirely. So basically the iterative development model is an approach of the segmenting any large software development process into a similar portions. So this type of SDL model does not target and establish the complete specifications plan. So as an alternative, this model is deductively designed to the start with minimum requirement specifying as well as the implementing only a part of the software. The prototype is then further reviewed for the additional requirement. The practice then task an iterative from to create a new version of the applications. The iterative lifecycle model comprise repeating the below mentioned four stages of the sequences. These are requirement phases. In the requirement phases of the software development, the system related information is gathered and analyzed. The collected requirements are then planned accurately for the development of the systems. Second one is the design phases. In the design phases of the software solution is prepared to meet the necessity of the designs. The system design is the one or extension of the previous build one. So this is the we have used for the phases of iterative model. So next one is the implementation and test. In the implementation as well as the test phases, the system is developed by the coding and building the user interfaces and the models which is the incorporated testing. So review phases. Next one, review phases. The review phases is the where the software is the estimated and checked as per the current requirement. Then the further requirement are reviewed, discussed, and reviewed or to propose for and updated in the next iterations. So it is the every stages and cycle of the model. The decision is taken is the system created by the iterations or cycle will be rejected or not, or need to the process further on for next cycle within the technically termed as well incremental prototyping. So ultimately a situation will come in which by the implementation of this model, the system requirement get complete and then the software can be distributed or delivered to the customer. Graphically presentation of the SDL iterative model. First one is the planning. Second one is the analysis and designs. So fourth one is the testing. Fifth one is the evaluations. So this is the called as the requirement and the deployment. So SDL iterative model, this type of we have a present for the graphical presentations. So model used for the following purpose. Here the system requirement can be classified and understood. So primary necessities of the systems can be defined. At the same time, some system working can be improved with the development process. If a new technology needed to appear understanding, this model can be helpful of known as the latest technology and increment of the update of the model accurately. This model is also useful when there are the high risk in the system characteristics can undergo. So situation where the resources with required skill sets are not accessible, and the system need to be development on a contrast basis. Choosing this model is the suitable decision. So benefits of prototyping model. So products working systems rapidly and before time throughout the software development lifecycle. So provide a more and more flexible and enhancement based on the requirement. Simple to the test as well as the rapid and small iterations. Thank you.